how to fix this site can't be reached on your Chrome browser. Hello guys, and welcome back into this new short tutorial. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing, go into these three dots here, click on settings, and after that what you want to do is click on this system option, disable all these options here, especially this option here in the top. After that, click on privacy and security, click on clear browsing data, and enable all these options here like this, and choose all time, click on clear data, and after that go back, click on security here again, and now make sure to choose this standard protection from here. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.